Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of CareerKunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, we are updating students with their queries about TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring results and post-offer queries. In this video, I will answer the queries of the comments that we have got in the video that we uploaded on 10th of July. So, one thing is that before we move on to the comment section, please ask your query only related to TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring in this video, though, because it helps me to understand, that you are asking query related to this. If you are asking queries related to some other hiring like MBA or NQT, so please, for MBA we are making another video series, so you can ask your question there in that section because it helped me to understand the context about of related to your question. Now, another few common announcements. One is that regarding joining, see, joining can never be, nobody can tell you when your joining will come. Okay, because it completely depends on the TCS. When they have requirement, they will onboard the candidate. But yes, what we can guess is that what happened last year and previous years. So usually joining happens in the month of Q2, which is sorry quarter two, which is July, August, and September. Some students are already receiving their joining. Some students will get their joining soon. But this is also true that joining also goes to quarter three, which is October, November, December, and quarter four as well. So joining can be delayed also. So you never know, and there is no rule that somebody will get joining because of certain reason. Some people get joining early, some people get, and we are not able to find a rationale how this happen. Maybe they make some batches on basis on some random criteria. So joining all the joining related comments, please be ready to have patience because it will take time. And I have already answered when it can come, but nothing and nobody can tell you this with certainty. So don't even look for answers to somebody else because this is something which cannot be answered by anyone. That is number one. Number two, TCS has got some system update of next step portal, because of which some status has been changed, to and fro. So don't worry, whenever there is a big change in any software, things get here and there. So wait for some time till the time they fix it, and then I hope you will be able to see the status as it is. You were able to do it earlier. So that is one thing, because many students have those query around that as well. Alright, so with this we'll move on to the comment section. So one of my friend would prefer locational accepting the offer and getting the option. It's an offer letter, is it fine? It is completely fine. Basically, when you are filling the application form, you might have already given your location, because location preference is asked either in the application form or while accepting the offer. So if you have not done it at the time of application form, it asks you at the time of accepting the offer. And if you have not been asked at both the times, then again also no problem. Next, receive my offer on January 14th. It was in. I have already answered. Joining letter will test your patience, and how and when it comes. We already addressed that in the starting of this video. So I submitted visa documents. Then SRD consider the question is how to run SRD consider. That's okay. They will ask you whenever your joining will come. They will mail you, and then you have to mail the HR team, and then they will upload it from backend. You don't have to worry about it. Everything will be taken care. You don't have to worry. Okay, so nothing will happen here. Okay, so be chill. Okay, anything which is missing, they will call you. It is not like they are like robots. They will only see what you have done. They will call you if some confusion is there, some documents or everything. They will call you and ask you that, mail them, and you mail them, and then they will upload it from backend. That's okay, no problem. So after how many days BGC will be scheduled when the generator will come? BGC should happen before your joining. So your joining letter will come 15 days before, and I think around that time your background check shall start. Next, I can do 11th July. When can I expect my interview result? You have given your interview recently, so it will take some time. First, all the interviews of all the regions, cities are done, and then your interview result will come. So I think it will go to next month. If you're asking about the recent hiring. So I have an interview call for a smart profile. It went so well. Can I get an offer letter for TCS Ignite? No, you cannot be upgraded, but the otherwise is true. Somebody getting call of Ignite can be downgraded to smart, but otherwise is not true. So I have not uploaded a single documentation exporter. Now the link is not clicking to upload documents for the return. Now for return we can upload it in letter. So why it is not open? So it also does. See, you should actually upload the documents whenever the option get enabled. Number one, because it will, background check will be initiated, because when you upload the documents and submit it, the status will be background check initiated. And as of now, there has been some updates in the TCS portal, because of which you are not able to click. Wait for some time, they will fix it and you will be able to upload it. See, Karan is also answering the same thing. Okay. Next, so the TCS conduct their smart hiring in the month of October. Depends on the requirement. If they have more requirements, they can again do it. So I'm not getting track my application option this next word. What does it mean? It means nothing. I think they have made some changes, because of which you are not able to see it. Next, Saksham, which was a completed next report was able to upload some of the required documents. Earlier also in no, that's okay. That's because of the reason that we discussed, that it is there have been some changes so in the system, because of which. All right. So I would like to ask that I have successfully implemented if you have got your NSRE card, nothing else has to be done. That is enough. They will ask for your NSRE card and you have that. Otherwise, don't verify, don't worry about the status. It's not your concern. Okay, because there is no action left on you. All right. So when there is no action, you should not be worried about verified, not verified, anything. Okay. So they have asked you to get an e-card, you have got an e-card. Just keep it, and next they will guide you if something is needed. So is work pressure high and smart, or it's manageable to do MC together? So it's not like that. You have to work in normal hours, and it depends on you also how much how you do work. But I think it's very manageable. It's my understanding. Work pressure is the work pressure high and smart or manageable to do MC together? I don't think so. It would be much, because these days you have to only study at exam times, and it also depends upon the personal efficiency. So as per me, it is doable. So TCS Ignite role or cognitive analysis tool, which is best? I would recommend, if you have got TCS Ignite role. Ignite role is 2.8, cognitive analysis 2.8. I think you can go with TCS Ignite, because it is similar. It has similar package. In Ignite you will get one of the best training, and then you have opportunity to do MC also. So that will increase your knowledge, your exposure, and it will make you more valuable for the market. After some years. Whereas in Cognizant, it is also a good company, but they are a little strict. So, but Ignite had this been smart, I would have recommended Cognizant, but since it is Ignite, I would recommend TCS. Next, so I completed my TCS Ignite. It's around 10 July, and how many days are for it? It will take some time, because still the interviews are going on, and I think it will come around July end or August. It is not coming so early. So I didn't submit my action on the portal. Recently, I opened the portal. The interface is changed. That's okay. I already answered this earlier. System has been updated. So wait for a few days. If you have not submitted it, then you shall get the option. How can I get a clarity that I'm getting hired for Smarter Ignite role? Give me clarification about it, sir. Usually, it is mentioned in the mail that comes for the interview, that what your interview is regarding, what for which hiring it is, for Smart or Ignite. So basically, it is mentioned in the mail that comes to the interview. And then, if it is not clear, then when you get the offer letter from the package, you can understand. If it is Ignite, it will be 2.8. If it is Smart, it will be 1.96. I have uploaded some documents, the background check, not at all. I already answered regarding joining that. You have to wait and watch. So take option. Okay, this is because of system update. So T surgeon not showing. No problem. Just wait and watch. No, Anjali, you have got your result. That's okay. Whenever they will do your background check, they will contact you, when if they uh, no, so you don't have to do anything now. All right. So whenever they will do your background check, they will ask you the final semester marks is missing. Have you got it now? So please send them. So that way, it will be done. As of now, there are so many HRs, background check team, is a separate team. So to whom you will mail? So that's the problem. So unless asked, I don't think so it is required. People are saying that they received the mail after the interview. Is it true? That after the interview, when the mail calls, I didn't receive, but the interview said do not select and leave the panel. No, usually the mails are not sent after the interview. But if your panel has said this to you, then good, you are selected because panel is the one who gives the feedback in the system. So you can expect positive results. Next, my TCS Ignite interview went so good all around. Ranked training, but I have less than 15% in my graduation. I have 59. No, I'm worried. If you have 59%, no, less chances because they don't, consider anything here. They are very strict, so very less chances. Ideally, you should not be allowed to give the interview, but despite the good interview, see, interview team is different and criteria checking team is different, so very less chances. सर मैं स्माइलिंग का स्टूडेंट हूँ सर मेरा में फिंगर सर सेमेस्टर दिया था लोग बट मेरा फ्रेंड का आगे नंबर नहीं आया ऐसा होता है नो रूल्स अबाउट ज्वाइनिंग and don't take tension, your offer letter will also, your job letter will also come. But yeah, how they do it, not sure, but it happens. You are not alone. There are many people of the same college, same class, but some get it, some don't get it. Next is a panel asked to select only certain number of candidates to fill the required pool, and the ones they got those students to the restaurant to and my student didn't even bother to see the resume. No, it is not like that. They are never told about the vacancies like that. So it's a talent, it's a recruitment team, and then interview people role is to take the interview. So it is never like that. Why your friends has been asked not asked to see the resume? Not sure, but definitely it is not like that. Okay, so Rahman in college and same road, simple qualified exam 14 5 and 39 smart and 16 no, it is not like that. No, so I don't think so. Like, depending on the maybe those who are selected for the Ignite, their paper was easy and they got shortlisted for Ignite, or those who attended on 14th, 5th, they could not make it to Ignite. So, but they don't differentiate like that. That same group they will put it to Ignite or Smart. No, it depends on the written on performance. I have done my TR yesterday. They said Smart. Offer letter will take time because interviews are going on. It can be July and or August. So example वोटर अभी वो नहीं हो रहा है वेट करिए. There are some changes, so it will take time to fix those changes. So after attending the interview, TCS Ignite. Okay, I already answered. This was in material. You can use whatever affidavit and 10 certificate as a what to do. Birth affidavit is fine if you don't have birth certificate. So joint interview is जॉइनेटर आपका इंडिपेंडेंट है बीजीसी बहुत बार इनिशिएटेड होता है तो देयर आर हाई चांसेस कि वो ज्वाइनिंग आपकी पहले करें बिकॉज ज्वाइनिंग से पहले सब चीज़ें क्लियर होना चाहिए सो अगर बीजीसी आप इनिशिएट कर देते हैं सो देयर आर चांसेस दैट ज्वाइनिंग कैन कम अर्ली बट नो रिलेशन सो द पॉसिबल नाइट शिफ्ट इन स्मार्ट इज हाई नो it is not like that. Night shifts, no, it is very well normal shift. Sometimes you are on the night support but not always. Okay, TCS Ignite results, I have made a video on that today. You can go and check that. So स्मार्ट कैंडिडेट का ट्रेनिंग लोकेशन जॉब लोकेशन क्या सेम हो सकता है मैं कोलकाता से हूँ मुझे कोलकाता मिलेगा और बाहर जाना पड़ेगा या स्मार्ट हायरिंग कैंडिडेट्स का ट्रेनिंग और जॉब लोकेशन सेम होता है आप कोलकाता से हैं तो हाई चांसेस है कोलकाता मिले बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग लोकेशन बट वी कैन नेवर से दैट विद सर्टेनिटी बिकॉज समटाइम्स बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट्स नहीं होती है और you might get some other locations as well but good chances of getting Kolkata. Okay, so I think we covered all the comments. Thank you so much.